Good afternoon, this is Metloop meteorologist Nancy Kostlik here with an update on today's forecast. This afternoon we're watching two different areas of activity, the first one being a frontal boundary that's draped across portions of the Midwest, and the second is an upper level low that's impacting the Pacific Northwest this afternoon, and we're going to continue to see that conveyor belt of storms moving through that area over the next several days. So we're going to start things off looking at the frontal boundary and all the activity extending from the Great Lakes region back down through portions of Missouri and into Oklahoma. Now this afternoon we could see some more development of these very strong storms, especially the further south on this front you go. In fact, we're looking for a concentrated area right around eastern Oklahoma into portions of Arkansas and southern Missouri to be the highest possibility of some very strong to severe storms. But really, we're going to look for thunderstorms and showers to make their way through the entire Midwest, pushing to the east this afternoon and this evening. So if these storms do become severe, we're looking for the possibility of some large hail and damaging winds as we continue through the rest of today. We're also seeing lots of that widespread rainfall extending from the coastal regions of Northern California and Oregon all the way back up through Washington. And over the next few days, we're actually going to keep this pattern very well settled in here, and we're going to continue to see a lot of rainfall, especially for Washington, Oregon, and heading down even as far south as Central California heading into the rest of this week. Speaking of lots of rainfall, check out the forecast totals for the next 72 hours. We're looking for around 5 inches of rain possible for portions of Northern California over the next 3 days. Looking ahead into the rest of this afternoon and the overnight hours, we're going to continue to see lots of activity along that frontal boundary as it makes its way to the east and southeast today. And of course, we're going to continue with the widespread rainfall and a few thunderstorms for the Pacific Northwest as well. So letting into this afternoon, we're going to look for the possibility of strong to severe thunderstorms along the front as it makes its way through portions of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri as well. And again, some of these storms could be packing some very large hail and some damaging winds as they make their way through the region. Make sure to keep checking back with Metloop on Facebook or metloop.com. We'll continue to update you as these storms move through the area for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching and have a great afternoon.